Talofa. Aloha. Kia ora. Yorana. And now the other ones I forgot. Afade. Welcome everybody. PIFA, its vendors, volunteers, City Bank. We all welcome you to this year's 11th Annual Pacific Islander Festival. At this point, I want you to look around and say hello to your neighbors. As we all gather here, it's a friendly environment where we come to meet family and friends, make new friends, and enjoy each other's company. At this point, I'd like to bring up our traditional conch shell calling.
Representing Samoa here at the 11th Annual Pacific Islander Festival.
And following close behind, we have, who do we have coming up here? We have Guam. Rose Umahing Tau Tano. Wow, that sun sure is beating down now that we have the procession going.
It is getting warm. All right, now coming down the aisle here towards the back, you will see the Federated State of Micronesia.
Micronesia.
The next group that will be stepping aboard up front here will be from the islands of Belau, Tony Otengi, Islands of Belau.
Belau. Polynesian Review. Woohoo!
Napua ilima o ke haulani.
To do the opening prayer to begin this Pacific Island Festival, we'll have Pastor Priscilla Kiel-Bruner come up, please.
God bless America. Yeah. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so kind.